Are you in the market for a refrigerated truck box slip-in? Whether you're a driver, farmer, ice manufacturer, or seller of frozen or perishable items, finding the right freezer truck box can be critical to the success of your business. We'll take a closer look at some of the important features and benefits of refrigerated truck boxes, and how you can find the perfect one for your needs. A refrigerated truck box is a type of refrigerated trailer or insulated truck body that is designed to transport frozen or refrigerated products at specific temperatures. It's made up of a refrigeration unit, a refrigerated truck body, and doors to keep the interior of the box at the desired temperature. The refrigeration is the heart of the refrigerated box truck. It's responsible for maintaining the temperature inside the box at a constant level, regardless of the outside temperature. There are different types of refrigeration, each with their own unique features and benefits. Some units are designed for lightweight, while others are designed to save energy and reduce costs. Unlike a Thermo King unit, our unit is unique because it is 12-volt and can run directly from vehicle battery, or also 115-volt and can run from any 15-amp electrical outlet as electric standby if needed. The refrigerated truck body is the part of the box that is constructed to hold the insulation and protect the interior from the outside elements. We use lightweight composites and several other materials used in the construction of the body, including aluminum and polyurethane foam, EPDM door seals and stainless steel door frame. Our well-insulated body can provide added protection for the climate control products that are being transported, especially for meat, seafood, or produce that require a variety of temperature range. Box trucks are a standard type of truck that can be equipped with a refrigerated truck box. They are popular with farmers and drivers who transport produce, meat, or seafood. The interior of the box truck can be customized to fit the specific needs of the driver or seller. Smaller vehicles like our freezer slip-in offer a better choice for narrow country roads, while a larger box truck can carry more products. Refrigerated trucks are larger than box trucks and are specifically designed for transporting frozen or refrigerated products. They come with a reefer trailer that is attached to the truck. The interior of the trailer is insulated, and the temperature is controlled by the refrigeration unit. The biggest problem with refrigerated trucks is the expense. For a small business, it is difficult to get a return on investment with a reefer truck. New refrigerated trucks can easily cost from $115,000 to $175,000 depending on make, model and options in today's marketplace. Benefits of refrigerated truck boxes. It's important to note that one of the key benefits of a refrigerated truck box is the protection it provides for frozen or refrigerated products. The insulation and temperature control ensure that the products arrive at their destination at the desired temperature. This can be critical for farmers, manufacturers, and sellers who need to ensure that their products are of high quality and value. Another benefit a refrigerated truck box offers is the cost savings it can provide. The energy-saving features of some refrigeration units can reduce the cost of fuel and maintenance. The lightweight construction of some truck boxes can also help reduce costs. Finding the perfect refrigerated truck box. There are several factors to consider when searching for the perfect refrigerated truck box. The location of the seller and the manufacturer, the model of the truck box, time to receive it, and the cost are all critical factors to consider. Additionally, features such as the type of insulation, the interior of the box, and the doors can all affect the value and cost of the truck box. Make sure the walls and ceiling are USDA and NSF approved for your local officials. Be sure and bookmark our refrigerated truck box page into your saved searches for reference later. We currently have a few in stock, but it changes daily. When it comes to transporting frozen or refrigerated products, finding the right refrigerated truck box for sale is critical. With so many manufacturers and models to choose from, it can be overwhelming. Consider the materials used in construction, the features, and the cost when making your decision. Look for a quality product from a reputable company. There is a reason why we build for Fortune 500 companies and some of the fastest growing startups in the world. We spend most of the year working off a wait list. Let us know if we can help your business get to the next level. With a little research and the right truck box, you can transport your products safely and efficiently, ensuring that they arrive at their destination in the best possible condition. A refrigerated truck box can provide value and peace of mind. For pricing and availability, call 877-449-8250 or visit www.coolertrailers.com.